What's up YouTube, Saf here on SuperSaf TV, and we've got a very special unboxing video today. Here are a couple of packages from YouTube, as you can see from the labels. We've got two packages. Some of you guys may already have a bit of an idea what's inside these, in particular this big one. Let's go ahead and get them unboxed. Now we are firstly going to be starting off with the big box that just about fits in the top-down camera. Ready for it? Alright, so firstly, we've got a note from YouTube. Susan, I have no idea how to pronounce that surname. I'm not going to even try. I'm so sorry, Susan. We've not met in person, but if we do, I'll ask you exactly how to pronounce your surname. And of course, she is the CEO of YouTube. The message reads, "You're bigger than Vancouver, you're bigger than Venice, you're even bigger than Las Vegas. We're incredibly proud of all you've done, so we hope you'll accept this Gold Creator Award as a token of our esteem." So of course, if you haven't already guessed by now, inside here is the Gold Creator Award that you get when you pass 1 million subscribers here on YouTube. With your track record, we suspect you're going to keep on growing, and we can't wait to see you reach the next milestone, 10 million subscribers. That sounds absolutely insane, and I'm not sure if we'll ever reach 10 million subscribers here on the channel. But then again, a few years ago, I never thought that we'd reach 1 million subscribers, so who knows? It may seem far away, but remember the days when you were psyched to have 1,000. I indeed was very psyched to have 1,000. And if you are one of the first 1,000 subscribers here on the channel, then a big shout out to you. You've amazed us. Keep daring, keep dreaming big, and keep creating. You're the inspiration for everything we do. A very, very nice message and a really nice touch. Thank you, Susan. Thank you to YouTube for this. And of course, thank you to all of you guys, most of all, for subscribing here to the channel. Now let's have a look at the Gold Creator Award. Look at that. That is absolutely awesome. We've got it in some plastic, and this new style looks so slick. We'll get it outside of the plastic. And there we have it, guys. That is the Gold YouTube Creator Award, which looks so cool. Now this used to be called the Gold Play Button Award, or that's what everyone used to call it anyway. And that used to be in a frame, and I believe it was bigger. I have never actually had a chance to see one in person, but I'm really liking this new design. Presented to SuperSaf for passing 1 million subscribers. And we've got the YouTube logo at the bottom. It's got this sort of brushed finish here, but the logo itself kind of cuts in, and then we've got this reflective material, which is pretty much a mirror. It's around about an inch thick, I would say. And around the back, we've got this soft material with two holes to hang this up. I am most likely going to be hanging this above my desk setup to remind me every day of the support from all of you awesome guys, and also motivate me to carry on making content which you guys enjoy. So that's the first box, but of course we do things here SuperSaf style, and there is another box. Let's get to that. So here is a smaller box. Some of you guys may have already guessed what's inside this smaller box, but let's find out anyway. And if you've not guessed already, then inside here is the Silver Creator Award, which you get for passing 100,000 subscribers. Now, of course, I passed 100,000 subscribers a few years ago, and you can check that video out here. But this is actually the new style one, and it's not been easy to get hold of this, but I wanted this so I could put it alongside the Gold Silver Play Button and have them together, and I wanted them to be consistent. So I have managed to get this. This also has a note from Susan. Now you can pause here if you'd like to read through this letter, but let's get straight to the award. Look at that. That, once again, looks so cool. Now, very similar design to the Gold Play Button, but of course this is in a brushed silver with the mirror finish here for the logo. Presented to SuperSaf for passing 100,000 subscribers with the YouTube logo. And I do have my previous Silver Play Button, so let's go ahead and compare it to this one. And there we have it. Here is my original Silver Play Button, which still looks so awesome, but it's in a frame with a 3D silver YouTube Play Button logo. But I definitely do prefer the new bezel-less design, as a lot of you guys will be calling it. The new award is slightly bigger in terms of the size compared to the old one, although it's a lot thinner. And bringing the new silver and gold creator awards side by side, you can see that the gold one is quite a bit bigger compared to the silver one, but they both look really cool, and I'm sure they'll look really great on my wall. I'll definitely be sharing some images of these on my wall once I've completed that, and you can check out those images on my Instagram and Twitter. I'll be leaving those linked in the description below. Now, before we finish off, a few things I want to say. Firstly, a huge thanks once again to everybody that subscribed here to the channel and become part of this amazing community. There is absolutely no chance that I would have these if it wasn't for all of you guys. So it's an award not just for me, but for all of the viewers of SuperSaf TV. And I know YouTube is not perfect, and you probably hear a lot of YouTubers complaining about YouTube and how they keep making changes and how we're frustrated. And I've been part of that too, and you know, sometimes I am frustrated as well with YouTube. But as far as I'm aware, YouTube is still the only platform which rewards its creators like this for milestones. I don't know of any others that do it. Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. You know, I've passed 100K on some of those, and there's not even an email saying congratulations or something. But YouTube actually sent a physical award, and I for one really do appreciate it. So thank you, YouTube, for sending these over. I of course have these with pride, and you guys may have seen my cover photos on all my social media channels, and I have my silver play button. I'm holding it with pride, and that is finally now going to be replaced with the gold button, or maybe I'll have both in the picture. I'll see how it goes. So there we have it, guys, the new silver and gold creator awards. What do you guys think of these new awards compared to the older ones? Do you prefer these newer ones? Definitely drop me a comment below and let me know. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then be sure to hit that thumbs up button. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe. Join this community of amazing people. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV. I'll see you next time. I'm so blessed to actually be in this position right now, and man, this makes me emotional.